Hi YouTube family, welcome back to Spending Weekends with Mimi. And for those of you, if this is your first time joining us, welcome to the family. On today, I'll be sharing with you how I transformed this table into this table. This table was inspired by Chanel. Anyone that knows me knows that my favorite colors are black and white, and I love all things Chanel. The items that I used in order to do this table are going to be listed below in the description box. It is a simple table, but it turned out absolutely beautiful. So if you'd like to see how I made this transformation, just keep watching. I know that this part of the process seems a little tedious, but actually it's not. If you start in a corner and get the corner perfectly aligned, you can actually just roll the rest of the pearls into place. I did this and it took me less than 30 minutes and they turned out perfectly aligned. Well, family, this is how it turned out. It looks absolutely amazing, and it shines like it's really glass. And yes, that was a buffer that I was using was car wax, and I buffed it just like you would buff a car, and it makes resin really shine. This table fit perfectly with the black and white decor that I already had going on in my dining room, so I put it in a corner, used some of the items that I had around the house because again, I love all things Chanel, and I decorated the table. This is how it looked during the morning, and we have a shot coming up with how it looked at night. So this is it, and I was really proud of it, and I hope you really enjoyed this. This truly is a testament that you can truly live bougie on a budget. So if you'd like to see more videos like this, I hope that you will join me, join the family, subscribe, like, share this video. And until next time, I thank you so much for spending your weekend with Mimi.
Please like and subscribe and hit that notification button.